Alright gamers, if you take your thing out of your Keurig K-Elite, you may not realize, but there's a bunch of crud that's going to be in here. It was a lot worse before, but iPhone sucks, and I've tried recording this video about 10 times now, and it should be simple, but iPhone's stupid. So you're going to grab a toothbrush, and you're just going to go in there, and make sure you get it all. Have a little bowl right under, catch it. Make sure you clean in here when you're cleaning your K-Elite. Might be good to just spray some water in there. Make sure you're getting this little middle part here too, and give it a nice little clean up. So that's something that a lot of Keurig owners may miss when they're cleaning their Keurig K-Elite. Just kind of get some extra bits of water, let it flow into the bowl. It's all good. We're getting this Keurig all cleaned up. Thanks for watching, and then don't forget, hot water clean that filter too. But this part, I tried with a flathead. You're not taking this part off without possibly breaking things. If you do it without, awesome. But I didn't feel like pushing further, so have a great day.